Look at her, so strong. Oh. Wow.
One conversation and it'd be over, or let this drag on for the next 4 weeks while we're all stuck here. I can't live like this anymore.
She locked us out of her room. And she will stay in the bathroom forever. And she just has these weird mood swings, like crazy mood swings.
Do you think she's like depressed or like,
I don't know if she misses her family or what it is, but I don't think she has the right to treat, do what she did while she was out. I think she's just that's my honest opinion. It's her weird.
I'm stuck with this crazy woman. I'm stuck with this crazy woman. Are you done yet?
Oh. He's like, no.
I don't know.